In this tutorial, we will learn how Condat can serve your business marketing benefits. Marketing is a cornerstone for all businesses. Something as trivial as sending birthday message or email can automatically leave an amazing impression of your business, and Condat understands that. Condat has two useful functions that every educational and migration agency can benefit from, that is, mass email plugin and SMS plugin. Log into your admin account, navigate Plugin Manager on the navigation bar and select all plugins. You will be shown many useful plugins. Choose the SMS plugin and click the down button. You will be shown many features of this plugin. Click on Learn how to set up and learn how to set up the plugin. You can also click on the Install button in the SMS plugin section. You can carry out the same process for Mass Email plugin and install it. Let us suppose you want to send a reminder email to all of the applicants whose visas are expiring in next 3 months. You go to Advanced Search under the contract and select the preferred time frame for the visa expiration and hit Search. You will be shown the list of applicants whose visas are expiring. Tick the boxes on the left to select the students you want to send the email or SMS notification to. Scroll to the bottom and you will find two options, Send SMS and Send Mass Email. Select as per your preference. On selecting email, an email workspace will pop up where you can either choose from the existing email template that you have previously created, or you can customize for your mass email. Finally, press the Send Email to send the email. It is the same process with SMS as well. Choose your pre-made template or customize and hit send. It's that easy. You can use these functions for many other occasions such as birthdays, application deadlines, and many more. Condat is always working on making the process of application easy and efficient for you so that you don't have to juggle between your priorities and you can smoothly run your business.